crispy, buttery, pistachio-loaded baklava with that irresistible syrupy crunch? Let's make it at home. Welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam. Today we're making delicious homemade pistachio baklava, perfect for any celebration. Start with 200 grams of shelled, unsalted pistachios. Pulse them into a coarse crumb and don't turn them into a paste. Now melt 250 to 300 grams of unsalted butter over low heat. Keep it melted and warm, but don't let it brown. Grease your baking tray and place the first phyllo sheet. Brush generously with melted butter. Keep layering the phyllo, brushing every sheet with butter. Build about 4 to 5 buttery layers. Now spread a generous layer of crushed pistachios evenly over the pastry. Add another phyllo sheet. Brush with butter, then more pistachios. Repeat this for 2 to 3 layers. Finish with 4 to 5 more phyllo sheets, brushing each one with butter. Make sure the top is beautifully coated. Before baking, carefully cut the baklava all the way through into squares or diamonds. This helps the syrup soak into every layer. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a little lemon juice for balance. Now for the magic. Baklava comes out of the oven, slowly pour the hot syrup all over it. Let it rest for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight so every layer absorbs that delicious syrup. If you loved this recipe, like, share, and subscribe to AI Rasoi by Sam for more delicious recipes.